how to fix frozen Shein app. What you want to do is go into your phone settings, and here we will just search for iPhone storage. Type iPhone and you should see iPhone storage at the top. Select it, and from the list of applications we want to find the Shein app. So just click on show all here if you don't see it on the first screen, and just find Shein. So I'll come back in a second once I find it. Okay, so it's right here. You just want to click on the Shein app, and then we'll select offload app. Now, what I forgot to mention, make sure that the app has been completely closed before you do this. Afterwards, just click on reinstall. What this is going to do is it's going to verify the integrity of the files. It's not going to log you out of your account or anything like that. You just want to reinstall the app. It might take a little bit of time, but I'll show you what it looks like after it has reinstalled. Okay, so it shows offload app again, and now if you try to open up the Shein app, it should work without any issues. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.